Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you are facing error code 1067 on your Windows 11 or 10, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, when you are facing this problem, press the Window plus R button from your keyboard and run command open. Type here services.msc and click on the OK. Now search the services which has the error code 1067. Then right click on it and go to the properties. Now in the general section, check the startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, select a manual or disable, then click on the automatic and then apply and OK. If already in automatic, then stop once. After stopping this running program, click on the login button and then click on the browser button and then fill the information. After fill the information, once restart your device and check the problem. If it is persist, then next solution is then go to the start button again and search here registry editor and go to the this path computer and then H key local machines and then system then current control sets and then services. After going to services, then check the errors 1067, right click on it and create a export to save desktop or any other locations. After export the file, then right click on it and delete. Once delete, then again go to the search bar and search here CMD. Click on it and then type here SFC space forward scan now. Once do this, restart your device and check the shortcut file to merge. After merge the file, once again reopen this and your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.